Okay, YouTube. This is the Gazelle Overland Edition T4 tent. I already have one video up. Uh, just doing a walkthrough real quick. Just going to let y'all know that's going to be raining all day. Uh, it'll start raining sometime, I think, about 11 o'clock tonight, and it'll rain all day till tomorrow about midnight. That'll be on Sunday. Uh, we're going to see how it holds up. This is the walk around to this, to the other side of the door. When we come back to the door, I just have one thing to actually point out here, is that when you look at the door, you can tell is that the rain here, when it comes down, it'll be dry, and then this will be dry, but at the same time, you got a zipper if you got, and that goes all the way down. So I'm thinking if they had some Velcro or something on that, but there's really no way to Velcro that if you're on the outside, so I can understand that. But that's the only thing that I'm thinking, that it might leak a little bit there. But other than that, we'll see how it is. I don't have the guidelines out or anything like that. I just have like the four corners staked out. And that's it. We'll be back for some more. All right, you're back here with Rob with Camping with the Osborns. I had my wife out here for a little bit, but then she went back inside. Got everything like hooked up. I got my mattress and got a couple chairs and watching the iPad and all that out here. I'll give you a little brief little tour of like how I got the tent set up. Okay. That's my iPad and all that stuff there. Got my flex tail gear lantern, bug thing in the back, and a couple other things. Everything seems to be doing okay. Got the windows down just a little bit. I'm gonna have to put those up. I know I'm gonna have to have the ventilation and all that, so I won't zip them all the way up. I'll leave them just a little bit down. Probably if I can back up here for a minute, probably have them something like that. That's probably what I'll have. And yeah, remember that there's like 8 windows in here, I think. 6, and with the door, you do get a lot of ventilation up at the top, even if you got the rain fly. But that's my mattress and all that, and blanket, pillow. You got a cot underneath, chair. That's about it. And it's pretty roomy in here. I mean, yeah, so stay tuned for the rain. Okay, it rained last night, and it's still supposed to keep raining some more. Get all that in the background. It's gonna rain like till about 7 o'clock today in the afternoon. So that was a raindrop on that. And it hasn't leaked at all. And I thought this might be a little problem in here, but it has not. You do have to stake, and that's a lot coming down. Hasn't leaked at all. You got to stake these out though, so your tent don't fold in over on this side. It popped in a little bit. The wind knocked it in, so you want to stake out these with these guy line ropes that they give you. And that's it. Now if it's raining really hard, which it's supposed to here pretty soon, the next couple hours, I'll take some more pictures. Alrighty then. Just show you the inside. The only place where it's wet is where I have stepped in for the water off of the grass, and seems like it's really holding up. I don't want to walk all over it, but it's doing its thing. If you look up here at the ceiling, you can see where the rain's at, and you can't really touch that. There's a gap, so that gives you pretty good airflow right there. So like, they thought this thing through. So there was a couple little spots I thought maybe I saw a couple pinholes up in here, but no, it was like right up in here, sorry, that I saw the other day. But other than that, it's doing pretty good. Just can't wait for the hard rain to come. All right. Okay. It's been raining off and on all day. Hard sometimes and light at other times, and this tent has held up against the rain. I am impressed with it. Most of the big tents that you buy that are like this, they tend to leak somewhere, and this one has not leaked anywhere whatsoever. I'll take you on in here in just a minute. You can hear the rain on the top. Okay, as you can see, there is no leaks whatsoever in here, and there's no puddles or anything open to the corners. I mean, absolutely none. Rain's coming down right now. I'm gonna go ahead and zip these up. You do want to stake out this part with the guidelines on all four sides though, because if you get heavy winds, they will go to push back in on you. Step out for a minute. This is like the last hour that it's going to be raining. So we'll keep it like that. And yeah, it's well worth the money spent for this tent. That's the Gazelle Overland Edition T4, and like I said, is at you do want to come in and you want to guideline these out to keep these from actually pushing back in like that, because it'll go to collapse the whole tent in, and you don't want that folding down on you. So if these are out, that'll keep that from happening, and you won't wake up with a tent on top of you. But if it's not going to be windy or raining and all that, you don't need to do that. And that's it. We'll walk around one more time here. It's the same all the way around. Nice tent. All right, just to let you know that it is raining again. So this is kind of moderate. It's supposed to be getting a little bit heavier here. But standing out here on the back porch, and this thing doesn't leak. This is well worth the money spent. I hope that y'all enjoy it. Thanks a lot again.